What is up, guys? It's your boy Rix and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new way to go and promote your affiliate offers on Clickbank and actually make a lot of money on Complete Autopilot using a brand new traffic source I'm going to be showing you guys in this particular video right here. I'm going to show you guys a huge traffic source that can go and promote your affiliate offers right now that's getting up to 4 million plus visitors per month, but nobody's using this traffic source, and I'm going to show you guys how to go and promote your affiliate offers and start making a lot of money with this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So the traffic source I'm going to show you guys, can say here, most of this traffic is coming all from top tier countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, I can say here, Greece and Australia right here. So if you're going to promote affiliate offers, this huge traffic source I'm going to be showing you guys, you can go and make your first sale very fast on Clickbank right now using 100% free traffic. And I'm also going to show you guys some examples of affiliates that are already promoting affiliate products on that traffic source and they're already getting free traffic and they have no competition on that huge traffic source. So the method I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, you can go and make your first $500 plus very fast on Clickbank. What I'm going to show you guys in this video, and I've never shared this traffic source before, so be sure to watch step by step till the end and take action on this particular method. So you don't need any website at all, and this is a 100% working method. And if you're going to implement this method, you can go and get results very fast. So it's a simple copy and paste method that you can go and do it all over and over. And you can go and do this from anywhere around the world. You can go and use it to go and promote products, for example, on Digital24, Warrior Plus, and on other affiliate networks like Max Bounty. You can still go and make a lot of money with free traffic source right here. So it's newbie friendly, so anybody can go and do this method right now and implement it right today and make some money. As I'm going to show you guys how to go and easily implement this method so you can start getting some results and start making some money on Clickbank with this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So be sure to watch step by step till the end. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to go and promote this affiliate offers right here and get a lot of traffic and make sales very fast on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos account, help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos on how to make money on Clickbank, Digital24, Warrior Plus, and some general make money online methods. And most of these methods are all 100% free to go and get started. So if you're not make a first sale on Clickbank, be sure to watch this particular video step by step to the end and take action on the free traffic method I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I can go and use it and make your first sale very fast with this traffic source that's getting most of this traffic from top tier countries. I can go and get started for 100% free without investing any money at all, and you are not going to have any competition because many people are not yet taking advantage of this huge traffic source right here. Also, want to learn my most recommended method to make money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank using both paid traffic methods and free traffic methods that many students are using already, and are already making their first $200 to $300 a day with the free and the paid traffic methods I show you guys inside that training. So that's, guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys what you're going to do and promote affiliate offers on this huge traffic source and make a lot of money very fast. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys the exact method you can go and use and make money very fast on Clickbank with this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So I'll show you guys this traffic source is getting up to 4 million plus visitors every month. I want to go and make your first money with this exact method right here. Be sure to watch this video step by step to the end and don't skip any of the steps, because I'm going to show you guys everything you're going to do to go and promote your affiliate offers on Clickbank and make money with this huge traffic source. You can see here, most of this traffic is coming from top tier countries, so you want to go and make sure that you're going to watch this video till the end and take action on this particular method right here. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to affiliate marketplace on Clickbank. I want to go and choose an affiliate offer that is converting very well. Let's go and make sure that this affiliate offer is converting very well, and it's also going to pay you a very high commission per sale. Once you go to the marketplace, right, you can see there are a lot of affiliate offers from here that you can go and promote and actually make a lot of money. So we're going to choose one from here. We're going to search, for example, by Gravity. It's going to show the top selling products on the affiliate marketplace right now. You can see this one, Okinawa Flat by Electronic. You can see this one, Custom Keto Diet. So this affiliate offers actually converts very well. I can go and promote any of these ones from here and actually make a lot of money. So we're going to choose one affiliate offer from here as an example, and I'm going to show you guys how to go and promote this and make a lot of money. For this example, I'm just going to go and choose a weight loss offer because weight loss offers tend to convert all year round, and most of them tend to have very low refund rates than other products. So let me just choose one affiliate offer from here. So let's check out this one right here. This one is called BioFit. So inside here, it's going to pay us a very high commission, up to $181 per sale. So you need only one sale of this product to go and make up to $200 per day promoting this offer right here. So this is actually a very high commission when promoting this affiliate offer right here. So let's go and check out the sales page of the offer. You can see the sales page of the offer, and this product right here is actually a physical product. So this is going to be delivered to the person's premise. So physical products tend to have a very low refund rates right here. So you can go and promote this affiliate offer right here for this example, as I'm going to show you guys this huge traffic source. So to go and promote this affiliate offer right here, you're going to need videos that you can go and use and promote this affiliate offers. So you need videos as content to go and promote this affiliate offer with this traffic source I'm going to be showing you guys. So in this particular affiliate product right here, they don't have any videos that you can go and use and promote this affiliate offer, but there are other affiliate offers like this one right here, the custom keto diet, that has a lot of videos that you can go and use and promote this offer. If you're going to promoting, for example, the custom keto diet, you can go, for example, to the affiliate support page. You're going to go and find a lot of videos that you can just go and download from the affiliate support page and use it to go and promote this affiliate offer very easily. But I'm going to show you where to go and get videos for 100% free if the affiliate offer that you're promoting doesn't have any videos. So let me just go to the affiliate tools area from this particular offer right here. You're going to see a lot of videos that you can go and use in the affiliate support page of this particular product. If you see right here, click on videos. You can see right here has almost 100 videos that you can go and use and promote this affiliate offer. If you're going to promoting this particular one, you can just go and download these videos from here and use it on the free traffic source I'm going to show you guys right here. But since we're promoting this offer right here for this example, we don't have any videos in the affiliate resources area. What you can do is I can go to YouTube. You're going to go to YouTube. I can go and type, for example, how to lose weight fast. If you're promoting, for example, a diabetes product, you can go and look for diabetes videos as well on YouTube, and you can go and use it to go and promote your affiliate offer with this huge traffic source I'm going to show you guys right here. So you can see on YouTube, I've just typed, for example, how to lose weight fast. I can see a lot of videos on how to lose weight fast right here on YouTube that many people are posting every single day. And they're posting this because people are looking for ways to go and lose weight every single day. And that's one of the main reasons why weight loss products tend to convert very well, because people are looking for ways to go and lose weight every single day. Once I start, for example, how to lose weight fast on Google, on YouTube, you're going to click on filters. I'm going to look right here. You're going to see right here, say Creative Commons. So you're going to click on this Creative Commons. It's going to show you a lot of videos that you can go and use for 100% free without having any copyright problem. So Creative Commons means that you can go and use these videos for 100% free and you're not going to have any copyright problems. So from here, you're still going to see thousands of free videos that you can go and use without any copyright problems and make a lot of money. So you're not going to be using this on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys a unique platform to go and promote your affiliate offer using these free videos right here and make a lot of money very fast on ClickBank. If you're going to follow what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here, you can see right here, these are a lot of videos, and most of these videos have a lot of very good information. So you're going to download a lot of different videos from here, and you're going to upload it on this free platform that I'm going to be showing guys right here. And this is a brand new traffic source that you can go and use and actually make a lot of money. So let's check out this video, for example. So let's say, for example, we want to go and download this video. All you're going to do is you're going to right click on this, right click on the video, and you're going to copy link address. Next, you're going to go to the website right here that I'm going to show you guys. This website is called y2made.com. You go to Google and type right here y2made. You're going to go to the website, it's called y2made.com. It's going to enable you to go and download these videos for free very easily. So let's go to the website. Once you go to the website, you're going to paste your link right here, paste your YouTube link right here. And that's guys going to give you an option to go and download your videos from here very easily. You're going to choose any of the formats from here, and you're going to click on download. It's going to go and download from here very easily. So let's say, for example, once you go and download this, for example, at 1080p, you can just go and click on this. It's going to be the highest quality to go and download this video from here. You're going to download a lot of videos. I recommend that you can go and download, for example, at least 10 to 20 plus videos from YouTube, and you can go and upload it on this free platform that I'm going to be showing guys in this particular video right here. So once it's done from here, it's just going to give you a link to go and download. So you just choose a smaller option from here. It's going to give you an option to go and convert the video and give you a link to go and download the video from here. So once I've downloaded this free video from this website right here, you're going to go and upload it on this free platform that I'm going to show you guys right here. So this platform here is called Brighteon.com. So this is a huge traffic source that you can go and use right now and promote your affiliate offer. You can see right here, the traffic on this website is still growing right now. You can see it has gone down, but it's going to go back up because it's a brand new traffic source that you can go and promote your affiliate offer, and many people are rushing to this particular network right here. So if you go to the website right now, it doesn't have any competition at all. I can go and be one of the first people to go and promote your affiliate offers on this website. I'm also going to show you guys examples of ClickBank affiliates that are promoting affiliate offers on this website. You can see most of this traffic is coming just from top tier countries, so you can go and actually make a lot of money if you're going to promote your affiliate offer on this particular website. So this is a URL right here, so let's go to the website. It's called brighteon.com. So let's go to the website. You can see this is the website here, brighteon.com. You can see many people are already posting a lot of videos on this particular website. You can see right here, there are a lot of videos that many people are posting on this website about different topics on this particular website right here. So you can go and post your own videos on this website as well and start getting some free traffic and start making some sales. When people search, for example, topics, for example, how to lose weight, they're going to find your video as the top one right here, because you are not going to have any competition from here. Especially if you're going to go and upload a lot of videos, you're going to go and dominate the competition on this website right here for certain keywords on this particular website. So let me show you guys some examples from here. If I go, for example, to the website and type example, let me type example ClickBank and just click on search, you're going to find some ClickBank affiliates that are already promoting their different affiliate offers on this website right here for 100% free. You can see right here, many people are posting a lot of different videos on this particular website. So I recommend that you're going to post a lot of videos, because the more videos you're going to post on this website right here, the more traffic you're going to get and the more sales you can go and make from this simple method right here. So make sure you're going to post a lot of videos at one time on this website. And as guys, you can go and find a lot of different examples of people promoting different ClickBank affiliate products. For example, you can see right here, this person is promoting research on the affiliate marketplace right here. You can see right here, this is a link. If I click on this link, it's going to take him straight back to the ClickBank affiliate offer on this particular website right here. And this is a 100% free platform to go and promote your own affiliate offers. Because right here, it's going to start taking me to the research product on the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. And there are a lot of examples of people that are using this and promoting different affiliate offers. So if I go, for example, to this one, let me show you guys an example. You can see right here, someone is promoting, for example, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. If I open this video, you're going to see a simple video someone has uploaded on this website right here, and they're going to have a link to the ClickBank affiliate offer right here in the description of the affiliate program of their video right here. So you can say the mistake that they're making is that they're uploading only around one video, because the more videos you're going to upload on this website here, the more traffic you're going to get, because most of the time it's going to get ranked in Google as well, and you're going to getting some free traffic from Google. So the more videos you're going to upload, the more traction you can get on this website, and the more traffic and sales you can go and make from promoting your affiliate offers on ClickBank using this simple method I'm showing guys in this video right here. So the first thing you're going to do, once you go to the website right here, brighteon.com, you're going to go and see an option from here that you can go and create a new account right here. You can see right at the top, create a new account. You're going to click on this, and that's guys going to give you an option to go and create a 100% free account on this website right here. Once you create a free account on this website, you're going to be able to go and upload free video up to 50 videos for 100% free. I will upload, for example, 50 videos. You can still go and create another account and upload a lot more videos on another different accounts. So it's a 100% free website. Because right here is very easy to sign up. All you're going to do is you're going to input your name or your email address from here, and they're going to send you an activation link to go and activate your account on this website. Once they're done right here, you're going to be able to go and upload videos on this website right here. So let me show you guys an example of how to go and upload a video on this website very easily and input a link back to your ClickBank affiliate offer in the description. So pay close attention right here. All you're going to do is you're going to go to the website once I've signed up for a free account. So let me go back right here. Once I sign up for a free account, you're going to see right here, you're going to see an upload video option right here. You can see right here, upload a video. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see an option to go and upload a video from here. It's going to bring you to this page. I can go and upload your video from here. So the video downloaded right here from YouTube Mate. You can see right here, this is a download link. You can just go and click on download, and that's guys, the video is going to be downloaded from here. Once the video is finished downloading, you're just going to go and upload it on this website right here. So let me show you guys a sample video I'm going to go and upload right here. I'm just going to upload a sample video for this example. So you're going to click on upload, and that's guys, you're going to choose your video. You can start here, just choose one video, random video right here for this example. I can see our video is already being downloaded from here. Next, you're just going to give you a simple title, and you're going to input a description. You can go and input your title, for example, discover the best way the best way to lose weight. And as guys can go and simple this headline like this one right here, that's going to make people to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer. Next, you're going to write a simple description from here. But before writing the description, you're going to make sure to go and input your affiliate link right at the top of your description of this video right here. You can go and input, for example, click here to discover my most recommended method to lose weight. And as guys, you can just go and input a link back to your affiliate offer from here. You're going to go back to ClickBank and you're going to get your affiliate link from here. So let me just go right here, and any affiliate offer you're promoting, you're just going to click on promote. And as guys, you're going to input your affiliate ID from here. I'm also going to input a tracking ID, so you're going to know where your sales are coming from. For your tracking ID, you can just go and input, for example, right here, and just click on generate hub links. And as guys, you can go and copy a link from here and go, for example, to tiny URL, for example, Obidly. You can just go and shorten your link from here. And as guys, going to be shortening your link, you can just go and click on copy, go back right here and input a link back to your affiliate offer from here. So that guys is very easy to go and do this method right here and actually make a lot of money. So the more videos you're going to upload, the more views you can go and get, and the more sales you can go and make from here, because there's no competition of people that are promoting the affiliate offers on this particular website right here. Once you're done from here, you're going to make sure you're going to leave it to be public, because right here you're going to make sure that it's going to be public right here. So you don't want to go and put it on private, because you want anybody to go and see this on this website. You can go and schedule this to go and post it on 8 different dates. So you can go and upload, for example, 30 videos today. I can go and just schedule them to be posted every day from now till in 30 days, and you're not going to be doing any work in 30 days, but it's going to have a link back to your affiliate offer, and it's going to be getting views on this website on complete autopilot. What I can do from here is I can go and also upload your thumbnail from here. So you can just go and create a simple thumbnail. You can just go back to YouTube. I can just go and use, for example, the same thumbnail. I can just go and upload it on your video, as well as these videos right here are 100% free to go and use as your own. So that's guys, all you guys to do from here is that once you're done from here, you're just going to click on upload. So let me show you guys right here. Click on save video, and next you're also going to input keywords. So I forgot the keywords. You're also input keywords, for example, lose weight. For example, lose weight. I'm going to separate it with comma and input, for example, fitness. And as guys, you're going to input, you can go and input multiple keywords from here as your tags from here. Once you're done, you're just going to click on save video. So let me just show you guys right here. Click on save video. And as guys, the video is going to be saved and it's going to be uploaded on this website for 100% free. It's going to take some few minutes to go and process. Once it's already been processed, you can go and publish it on this website for 100% free. You can go and upload up to 50 videos to your channel on this particular website right here. So if you upload, for example, 50 videos on this website, you can just go and create another account with another email address and you can go and upload 50 more videos. So you can go and get a lot of traffic from this particular free traffic source, as many people are starting to come to this new website right here. So that's guys, that is simple method I want to show you guys that can go and use and start making money with this huge traffic source right now. And if you have value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, so you're going to see in the front end I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So that's guys, share this video guys so that others can go and benefit from this method. And that's it. Take action, and I'm going to see you in the next video.